Today I've got a fun and easy tutorial for you, how to change your selfie or Bitmoji face on Snapchat. Whether you want to switch up your Bitmoji look or just want to try a new face, I'll walk you through the steps in no time. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app and head over to your profile by clicking on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, you'll see your current Bitmoji right at the top. Next, tap on your profile picture. Yep, the Bitmoji face itself. Now, you'll see an option that says Change Selfie. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up a whole list of different selfie expressions and looks that you can choose from. Take your time to scroll through and pick a selfie that suits your vibe. Whether you want a cool, fun, or serious look, there are plenty of options to choose from. Once you've found the perfect selfie, just tap Done to lock it in. And that's it. Your Bitmoji now has a fresh new face on Snapchat, and you're ready to show it off. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.